Hey dolls, it's me Karen, and I'm going to show you how I curl my hair at home. As you see, I have my satin wrap, so I'm going to remove that. I already previously molded my hair in the salon, so I'm nice and smooth. So I'm going to show you the products that I use at home. Design Essentials Formation Spritz, and then I have the Diamonds Oil Sheen, and then my trusty rat tail comb, and these red pearl titanium plate mini micro pencil flat irons. They are my favorite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little oil, and then I'll spray a little oil sheen to give me a little shine. I do not like to use a lot of holding spray, so I'm going to comb my hair in the direction that I want my hair to be curled, and I want to get it nice and smooth, nice and straight, get all the kinks out if there is any, and then I'm going to start to curl. Now I do start from the back, and as you can see, what I do is I start up top, and then I start forming a line from the top all the way down to my ear. And then once I'm finished that line, I start connecting my curls to the line that I formed. As you can see, I'm starting on the other side, and I'm starting it to connect one line to the next, and then I'll go all the way around my head just by connecting the lines and forming a curl pattern. Now we are all done with the curling, and as you can see, I formed a really good curl pattern. So now I'm going to take a little of the Diamonds Oil Sheen spray around, and then just to make it a bit firm, I'll spray a little formations on there. Then I'm gonna comb it out with my rake comb and get a beautiful comb out. So when I'm finished my comb out, I just put a little holding spray on there just to give it a little firm hold. And I also like to take my wax stick, which I do not have here, but I usually take a wax stick and I form around my face and my edges. I form my waves and I form my edges just to give my haircut a little look. And then I take my hands and then I form and shape my haircut. And then after that, I find it always best to take my satin wrap and tie my hair down after I'm finished my fresh look. And it gives me a really, really good look. So now makeup is on. Now I'm going to take off my satin wrap and voila, we have a look. I love how my short hair comes out at the end. So thanks for watching and see you guys later.